my fiance's face to see how much he's measuring out to for his face mask. So we're measuring out from ear to ear from here. This is about 14 for extra fabric and for it to be comfortable. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so I have my t-shirt under here, my cloth shirt, and we'll just, I'm gonna go with this design. Because if you don't, it'll be hard. Okay. Cut across here. And then it won't be a perfect line, and that's okay because you're gonna end up putting stuff into it anyway. So here's my cut. So I have to precise my cut a little. Okay. So this is what we'll do. We'll line it up here. We'll cut from here. And like I said, it doesn't need to be perfect. As long as it semi lines up. And then that's it. All right, cut off the video. Even though it's not completely even, we will start the process of sewing the two sheets together. I want to do it as close. What is that? There we go. Okay guys, so here we're going to cut off all the extra cloth so we don't clog up my sewing machine as I sew, and then I'll fold them up and then we'll sew it, and then we'll have our beautiful masks. So as you can see right here, it's double layered. Make sure you keep a straight line now because it is important, and your lines will show if they aren't straight. The folding of our masks, okay? And then here's my pins. So I'm going to fold them over like this. You want to perfectly align the fabric. Okay, here we go. And then do the same thing for here. And this here. And then these loose things right here we just cut off. Okay. And then we will just keep going. And then here's our next one. And then there we go. I dropped one of these pins. Okay. And then what this one. All right, we're all ready to get things sewed up. This is what my mask looks like before I sew, and then I'll sew along these lines to line it up. All right, so this is the only elastic I have to make pants for my kids, but so we're gonna make it work. We'll just split it like this. Always remember, guys, you can get anything to work, okay? And then we'll just cut it through till I feel like we need it. Now this is now the size of the real masks that you would put. Cut a little bit more. Give it a little bit of space. Okay, here we go. So now we have 2 of these. Doesn't really look like it would fit right. It's too little. So I'll just sew it here, and then I'll sew it here, and then that's how we'll do it. Okay? Okay, so I have I've sewed it right here, and then now I'm just going to do the same thing for right here. And then you'll just do that on both sides. So we'll do it this way. And then you just want to sew across it a little. There you go. You don't really need much. All right, this is the end product. I love it. It's cute. It has double sides. So this is how you guys can DIY a awesome face mask that isn't COVID-19 protected. Thanks for watching, guys. All right, guys, this is it. Nose protection, beard protection. I made this with measurements only because of his beard. Show the inside, babe. It's double layered. Here you go. Alrighty. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.